Number porting lets you keep your Assurance Wireless number when switching to another carrier. This is governed by the FCC's Wireless Local Number Portability (WLNP) rules, requiring completion within 1 business day for postpaid and up to 4 hours for prepaid. You'll need a porting PIN, or PAX, which is a time-sensitive code verifying ownership. To initiate, make sure your Assurance Wireless account is active and gather your account number, last 4 digits of your SSN, zip code, and IMEI/MED of your device. Then, contact Assurance Wireless customer service to request your porting PIN. Provide the porting PIN to your new carrier to initiate the transfer. The port should complete within hours for prepaid or a day for postpaid. Test your number and cancel your old account after the switch. The FCC is exploring instant porting, potentially cutting times to minutes. As of 2025, enhanced cybersecurity measures like mandatory two-factor authentication are in place. If porting fails, contact Assurance Wireless's dispute resolution team or escalate to the FCC. Always remember to keep your PIN safe and secure to avoid fraud and scams.